everyone, I hope you are having a lovely day. It's that time of the month again. The July boxes were shipped on Friday last week. So they have started arriving with all my lovely subscribers in the UK. Some abroad have already arrived as well. So it's time for me to show you what went into July's boxes. And as you probably know, this month's box is a bit of a special one. So just to recap, in case you didn't know, about 5 years ago, I was on the Stitches Brew podcast with Gabby and Megan, sadly no longer in production, and they asked me if I could collaborate on a box with anyone, who would it be? Obviously, I said Tilly and the Buttons. They were huge then, they're still huge now. So I said Tilly and the Buttons, thinking that would never in a million years happen. Fast forward 5 years, it's happened! I have collaborated with Tilly and the Buttons and created a beautiful box. So basically the idea of the box is it is Tillys Dream Box, what she would want to receive through the post as a subscriber, and we're sending it all to you guys. So without further ado, let's take a look. Basically, Tilly and I worked together to choose the fabrics and some of the gift that went in, and obviously their newest pattern is in the luxury box. The fabric in the luxury box, we also worked with Lady McElroy and recoloured one of their existing designs to Tilly's favourite colour, which is a beautiful cornflower blue, hence the nails. I did get my nails painted to match, obviously. And the fabric in the classic box, we worked together to choose a print that we think is gorgeous, that Tilly loved, and we think you would love it too. Just quickly, in case you can hear, I've got a really bad cold, so I'm a bit bunged up today. Hopefully it doesn't come through, but just in case. Right, here is the luxury box in all its beautiful glory. So every box gets the magazine, and inside the magazine we've got an interview with Tilly herself and a little bit with a couple of the Buttons, Kate and Nikki. And then the magazine's got some other bits and pieces in there as well. We've got a make of the month, so I always trawl Facebook and Instagram to see what you guys have been making, and then I pick one person every month. It's a very difficult task. And they write a little bit about it for the magazine, and then they get the next box as a gift, which is lovely. We've then got the 3 makes, 3 boxes feature, which is Gemma, Laura and Esther. They get the fabrics in advance and make something to share with you in the magazine, and that also then goes up onto the blog in a few weeks' time. And we have a fat quarter tutorial as well that Tamlin's done, and that will be on the blog, and some other awesome bits and pieces, some discounts from the fold line and other gorgeous things in there. So that's the magazine. The sweet treat. Now, I don't know about you, but when I think of Tilly and the Buttons, I think of 2 edible treats in particular: fondant fancies and party rings. We've gone for party rings. So every box has a little pack of mini party rings. They are delicious. What else have we got? We've got the matching Gutermann thread that matches the main fabric. And the haberdashery item is 1-inch elastic. There's white elastic in the luxury boxes and black elastic in the classic. Andy and I had a lovely time cutting and folding all of this elastic to 1.5 meters for every single box. And it's particularly useful for the pattern that's gone into the luxury boxes this month. So 1-inch elastic, always useful to have different lengths of elastic in your sewing box. The fat quarters are absolutely beautiful. They are called Colourful Bloom by Craft Cotton Company, and they're just so gorgeous. The colours are super vibrant. The blues pick up the blue in the main fabric as well, and they're just really, really stunning. Tamlin has made a sewing machine mat using these fat quarters that folds over the table and has some pockets so that you can put things nice and easy to reach. So I will be sharing that in a few weeks' time. So stunning fat quarters. Then the gift that's gone into the luxury and classic boxes is one of these iron-on transfers from Tilly and the Buttons. These were designed with Liz Harry they did some kits a year ago, or Christmas, I think. And they don't have them anymore, but we have got them especially for the boxes, and it says stay home and sew. And I think these would look gorgeous. There's instructions on the back of the magazine. You could transfer this onto a t-shirt, onto a pajama top, onto a jumper, or onto a tote bag, which is what I'm planning to make next week. And I'm going to do a little video for that. So yeah, really beautiful, lovely, gorgeous colours. The pattern in the luxury boxes is, of course, the newest pattern from Tilly and the Buttons, the SD Co-ord set. So it is a gorgeous pair of high-waisted trousers, which I am actually currently wearing at the moment from last month's classic fabric. So a gorgeous pair of high-waisted trousers, and it also has a vest top. It's quite a high neckline top, which you can pair with the trousers. You can tuck it in, leave it loose. You can have a sort of faux jumpsuit effect, or you can pair it with other separates as well for a real mix and match pattern. So it's a real versatile workhorse pattern, which I absolutely love. And the trousers are so comfortable. I haven't finished making the top yet. I am making the top and the trousers again out of the fabric from the classic boxes this month. So yeah, looking forward to getting that all made up. Okay, the fabric in the luxury boxes is this absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. It is a viscose Riccardi lawn from Lady McElroy. It's their hands-on print, which we have recoloured in this beautiful cornflower blue. And it is so soft and silky feeling. Honestly, it's got a real like cooling effect feel to it as well. So I'm really looking forward to getting this made up and worn over the summer. I think I'm actually going to make a Mabel dress out of this fabric. But yeah, it's so beautiful. And like I said, nails match and everything. I love it. Absolutely beautiful. So that is the luxury boxes. I will just pop these to one side and then I will show you the classic boxes. So here we have the classic box, which as always, and with the mini box as well, comes with the magazine, the black 1-inch elastic, and the party rings. Then for the thread this month, I decided to go a slightly different way. So last month we had a fabric in the classic and mini boxes that was also a black base, and I included a black fabric. So I decided to go for a different colour this month that picked out a colour from the fabric. So it's a little bit different. I hope you like it. I've gone for a purpley lilac-y colour, which you'll see in a minute, picks out one of the colours in the fabric, and it's really, really pretty. Then we've got the fat quarters. So there are 4 fat quarters in the classic boxes, 5 in the luxury, and 3 in the mini. They're all from the same collection, and then sort of separated and split up and put together for each different size box. Then we've got the heat transfer. The fabric is just so beautiful. Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. It is stunning. It's a viscose twill on a black base, and then it's just got these stunning bright pops of pink, purple, blue, sort of tealy blue, limey green, white and cream, and it's just gorgeous. It's a floral design, and oh my goodness, it's so, so beautiful. I've seen Laura made the sky dress, that sundress out of it, and Esther made a cami top, and both of them just look so beautiful. It's such a gorgeous, gorgeous fabric, and yeah, I can't wait to get my SD Co-ord. So I can get the trousers out of 2.5 meters, and I can get the top out of the 1 meter in the mini box. If you're a bit smaller than me, you might be able to get the full set out of the 2.5 meters. Alas, I cannot. But it's so beautiful. Honestly, I cannot wait to be wearing this in the summer. It's just gorgeous. So there we have the July SewHayleyJane boxes in collaboration with Tilly and the Buttons. I don't think I'm ever going to get bored of saying that. I hope you love the boxes. Let me know if you subscribe what you're planning to make with the fabrics from this month's box. And don't forget that we are now open for new subscribers who will get their first box in August. I have had the samples of the fabrics come through for the August boxes and they are gorgeous. It's a very different feel to this month's box. It's going to be a very soft, very dreamy, very elegant kind of feel to it. Not that these aren't soft, dreamy and elegant, but it's just a very different feel and I think you're going to love them. So head over to the website and have a look at the different options available. Give this video a like and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you all next week with another video. Bye.